Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting brand new full-length workouts here every week. All right, so today I'm gonna be running you through a foam rolling routine for the lower body. Foam rolling is really gonna help with your recovery process in between workouts, and it's really, really great for easing sore, stiff muscles after a heavy leg day. Now, everyone's level of pain tolerance is totally different. So you need to make sure that you work at your own pace and you listen to your body. Guys, the goal here is to help recover the body, not injure it, okay? So take it easy. Spend as much time as you need on each muscle group and really pay close attention to those specific muscles that are really, really sore. Give them a little extra love and attention. I'm gonna run you through some different movements that you can do. I'm gonna go through it fairly quickly, not spending a ton of time, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how to use these things. All right guys, so grab that foam roller and let's get to it. All right, we're gonna get started with the calf muscles first. These tend to cramp up if you're doing lots of running or jumping movements. So we'll start with one leg at a time, lifting yourself up, just applying as much pressure as you can handle here, just gently rolling back and forth. You want to make sure that you avoid rolling too low. You want to avoid rolling onto that ankle at all. So at any point you can switch into double legs, or you can just stick to doing one leg at a time, whatever works for you. And you can rotate the foot outward or inward to target different areas of that muscle. Also doing a little point and flex with the toes. Yeah, you're really gonna feel that one. A little rock side to side, massage it out. You can really play around here and just do what feels good for you. Try and relax the muscles. If you want to apply a little extra pressure, you can use the foot or the ankle of your other leg, cross it over, apply a little extra pressure. Making sure to get both sides, rolling nice and slow, spending extra time on those really tight areas. Okay, so that's it for calves. We're gonna get into those hammies now, those tight hamstrings of mine. Love this, but hate it at the same time. So same kind of thing here, you're lifting yourself up, applying as much or as little pressure as you need. Rolling up just underneath the glutes, and then down just above the knee. And again, you can do single leg here or both legs at the same time. You can do a little rock side to side, get nice and deep into those hamstrings. Make sure you're taking some nice big breaths here as you work through these movements. All right, we're gonna get right into those glutes now. So you're gonna sit on top of the roller, finding the fleshy part of your glute, crossing one leg over and then leaning into that glute, applying pressure on that one side. Yes, take it slow, rolling back and forth, little rock side to side, using that roller to massage out those tight glutes. Again, making sure you get both sides here. If you find a spot that's really tight, you can even just hold that position until that muscle relaxes a little bit. All right, so that's it for glutes. Next up, I'm gonna show you how to roll out those shins. If you get shin splints from running, this actually feels really great for me. I love doing this one after a long run. So you just wanna make sure that you're not rolling over the ankle joint or the knee joint. You're just sticking to the shins, rocking side to side, really working into that fleshy part where the muscle is. Breathing through this, working at your own pace. Using your hands to roll back and forth. All right, now this one looks a little awkward, but it really works to get in those inner thighs. So you're gonna cross one leg over, keep your other leg nice and straight. Rolling that foam roller back and forth, again avoiding the knee, coming in nice and close, getting right into that groin area. Yes, a little awkward here, but guys, this actually feels amazing. If you have tight hips, you're gonna love this one. All right, making sure you get both sides, spending as much time as you need. It always takes a little time playing around, finding that sweet spot, finding your positioning. Everyone's a little bit different too. So just listen to your body. All right, we're gonna get into those quad muscles now. This one is really killer for me. I'm trying to act tough in this video, but it is really challenging for me to roll out my quads. They get really, really tight. So this is one that you really want to pay attention to the amount of pressure that you're putting on there and take it nice and slow. And with the quads, you can start on the sides. A lot of people find it really painful to roll out their IT band, so there are other ways to stretch that. If this is just too painful, just avoid it. And then rolling right onto the front of those quads now. I'm gonna do both legs at the same time. Oh yeah, feeling that one. Breathe through it. I always forget to breathe, especially when it gets tight. You want to take those nice big inhales through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. And now another way to get right into those quads is just to hinge at the knee. This is when my body starts to shake. There you go, just finding a spot that's tight, holding, and then alternating, lifting those heels up one at a time, getting nice and deep into those quads. Fleshing it out with a couple full rolls back and forth, and then we're gonna get the outside of the opposite leg here. Getting right into that outer hip. And then you may want to finish off here with just another hold, breathing, allowing those quad muscles to just relax. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope those leg muscles are feeling a little less sore, a little less tired, and on their way to full recovery. Comment below, let me know what you thought, and as always, if you like this video, give it a good old thumbs up, and be sure to share it with a friend who may find it useful as well. Have a good day, guys. I will see you at the next workout.